Hello cuties! Today I'm going to show you how to draw this owl step by step. We'll start in the middle of the owl's head and draw the upper part of the beak first. Now we'll draw the lower part of the beak. Next we draw the eyes. To the left of the beak, we draw an oval. Then we draw an oval of the same size to the right of the beak. Then we draw an even larger oval around each of the two ovals. After that we frame the eyes and draw the white area on the owl. We start directly to the right of the beak and draw an arc that runs parallel to the eye upwards. We continue doing this until we reach the center above the beak. Then we frame the left eye in the same way. Now let's draw the right ear. Then we'll draw a curve above the head towards the eyes. And finally we'll draw the left ear. Immediately after the left ear we draw a large arc parallel to the left eye. We repeat the same on the opposite right side. Then we draw the body with the belly down to the feet. To do this we make a very large arc directly from the head to approximately the middle of the beak. We do this once on the left, and once on the right. Then we close the gap at the bottom with a small medium-sized arc. Next we draw a left foot. And now we draw a right foot as well. Finally we draw the two wings. We start with a left wing and draw it with several arcs. Then we repeat the whole process mirror inverted and draw a right wing as well. Just make sure that both wings are approximately the same size. If you like you can draw 2 circles in each eye. This will make the eyes even more beautiful. Now our owl is finished and you can color in your picture. In the next part of the video, I'll quickly show you how I colored in my picture. I hope you enjoyed this video and had fun coloring today. I also hope your picture turned out well. See you soon.